Good afternoon, students. Now, today we continue with that chapter. That one we have discussed last day. That means atomic structure. Now, in last class, I have told you about the preliminary things of atomic structure. That means how an atom will look like. That means what are the preliminary things in a structure of a atom. That means you know that atoms consist of 3 subatomic particles. Atom consists of 3 subatomic particles, and those are actually your electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, and electron is negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons are neutral in nature. Okay, now today I want to tell you how the atom will be look like. That means what is the structure of an atom. Now last day I told you that William Crookes first told about the electrons. That means he observed and confirmed that atom contains of electrons. Okay, atom contains electrons. Now after that, a scientist was there whose name is Goldstein. He was first told about the photon. That means observe the presence of photon in an atom. Okay. After that, J.J. Thomson was given one experiment, okay, which was called as palm pudding model. From that, he told that atoms will be like that it will have a spherical shape which consists of protons, and in that sphere, electrons will be there. Like this. But this is not possible, and this will not show the stability of a compound, stability of an atom. Okay, that's why after that, this theory was no continuation was there of this theory. Okay, so from this model, we come to know about only the structure of an atom, how it will be look like. But after that, Rutherford from his famous gold foil experiment, okay, this experiment I will tell you in a separate video, but today I will tell you what will be the structure of an atom. Okay, so from its gold foil experiment, he told that and observed that atoms will be look like a circle like this, and in the middle of that circle one center will be there where most of the mass of atom will be consist in this center. Okay, and this center will contain 2 subatomic particles among 3. That means this will contain only the protons and neutrons. This will contain only protons and neutrons, and this center is called nucleus. Okay, which consists of only proton and neutron. Now I have denoted here the proton means positive charge and neutron means neutral nature. Okay. Now around this nucleus, there will be orbits will be there where electrons will be revolved around the nucleus. So many orbits will be there where electrons will be revolving. Now that this center is called nucleus, it is told by the Rutherford, it is confirmed, but he was unable to tell that this nucleus consists of proton. But after that, from Niels Bohr experiment, that means Bohr theory, we have concluded that this nucleus will consist of proton and neutron, and surrounding this nucleus, electrons will revolve the nucleus in separate orbit. Okay. Now this is the actual structure of an atom where the most of the space will be vacant. Most of the space around nucleus will be vacant, and in different orbit electrons will be there. Okay, and these orbits will be named by K, L, M. Okay, these orbits will be named by K, L, M. Now, say I am taking orbit of atomic structure of oxygen. Okay, now oxygen will have this kind of nucleus, and nucleus will be shown by this positive charge. Okay, and one neutron can you show by a circle. Okay, because neutron has no charge, that's why I have given a 0, and as proton has positive charge, so that's why I have given positive. Okay, surrounding this nucleus, this is the first orbit. Okay, this one is the second orbit, this one is the third orbit. Likewise you draw. First orbit is called K, second is L, third is N. Now, some terms we have to understand here about the atomic structure, that the number of proton present in a nucleus of an atom, it is called the number of proton and number of neutron present in a nucleus is called the mass number. Of the element. Okay, so total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus is called the mass number of the element. Okay, so what is atomic number? The number of proton present in the nucleus is called the atomic number, and it is same with the number of electron. Okay, same number of proton, the number of proton present in the nucleus, same number of electron will be revolved around the nucleus. Okay, now the number of proton and number of neutron present in the nucleus, total number of proton and total number of neutron is called the mass number. Okay, this one we have to learn. Now from element to element, the number of proton is fixed. It is the atomic number. Okay, so we can write one chart that element and atomic number. Okay, just I'm giving one example. Say oxygen. Okay, oxygen is an element and its atomic number is 8. Okay, carbon is an element, its atomic number is 6. Hydrogen is an element, its atomic number is 1.